As we were all asked to stay home, Gustav Stickley's belief that home should be a place of refuge, where one may rest from the battles of life, and where your family may be sheltered and safe, became a mantra for us as well. According to Stickley, for home to become this ideal, we must first free ourselves from unnecessary drudgery and other wastes of energy and resources. In another word, we need simplicity. We created Craftsman Kitchen to share simple recipes as a fun way to connect with the past, work with our hands, create something new, and thoroughly enjoy the results. We look to early 20th century cookbooks in the museum's collection, dishes served at the Craftsman restaurant, and to Craftsman Farms herself for inspiration. And then we got to cooking, and baking, and cocktail shaking. Our Craftsman cocktail, the Sparkling Peach, was inspired by descriptions of the peach orchard at Craftsman Farms in the Craftsman magazine. In the October 1913 issue of the magazine, Stickley shared photographs of the extensive peach orchard at Craftsman Farms, with fruit brilliant in color and so abundant as to bear down the branches. Peaches have been grown in abundance in New Jersey since the early 17th century, and today New Jersey is the fourth largest producer of peaches in the country. The peach industry reached its peak at the end of the 19th century. In 1890, there were more than 4 million peach trees in the state of New Jersey. Stickley picked up on this abundance in the Craftsman magazine. On the subject of his own peach trees, he wrote, "They have responded to the wisdom of their planting in this section of the country, the peach belt of the northeastern states. The length of the American autumns, the frequent open winters, and the protection by side hills mark this dulcet strip of country as very desirable for the growing of this important crop." At Craftsman Farms, the orchard was situated where it will be sunny and sheltered in just the place where a grove of peach trees will add the last touch of beauty to the surroundings. It was a sight exquisite indeed when viewed through long vistas of trees, one after another, holding proudly its treasures. If you dined at Stickley's Craftsman restaurant on the top floor of his Craftsman building on 39th Street in New York City, you might have selected from the menu brandied peaches as your final course. Like so much of what was served in his restaurant, those peaches came from the sunny orchards at Craftsman Farms. We hope you enjoy your sparkling peach. It's a bright, sparkling drink that reminds us of a walk through the orchard with splashes of sunlight poking through the long, light leaves of a peach tree. And we hope to see you back again in the Craftsman Kitchen.